Are you ready for a CRO masterclass in a very short space of time? Because in this video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks that you can implement on your e-com store to turn more clicks into customers. I'm Oliver Kenyon, I'm co-founder here at ConversionWise, and for the last decade plus, I've had an unhealthy obsession with conversion rate optimization. In episode number 65 of Optimization by Oliver, I'm going to break down how I would improve the conversion rates of Glossier if I was hired to optimize their store. And we're going to start with the homepage. You can see there's a huge transformation here. Before, they have this very large image and a small tiny block of text in a small box at the very top with a hidden unclickable CTA. We've completely transformed this page. We now have a much cleaner picture of a person with some of the products in the image itself. We have point number one, a very clear headline, just basically sums up exactly what people are looking for, to be bold and to be beautiful. We actually have a clickable call to action above the fold. It's for wit. It takes people to the best sellers. It has a directional cue and it explains exactly what's going to happen when they click, as opposed to shop now. Point number three is we've added some social proof. I don't care how big your company is, social proof is going to increase your conversion rates. Amount of stars, how many happy customers you've had, and bang, you've done it. And number four, we've managed to add these icons and supporting text that really enhance the value proposition and the benefit to the consumer that they're going to get when they land on this homepage. Moving on to the product page, and we start with number one. Again, we've enhanced that social proof. We've moved it way above the fold. We've made it clearer and cleaner to see in this pill, and we've actually mentioned the amount of happy customers as opposed to just a boring, mundane number. Number two, we've used product thumbnails as opposed to this really faint white line on white images that they use at the top of their previous PDP page, which again enhances usability and UX and UI experience. Now people can clearly see these images, they click on them with their thumb, and then the top image changes. Number three and number four, we've just improved the layout above the fold on their product pages. We've made the price a lot clearer. We've used benefit-driven bullet points, and then we've actually included a real call to action. How anyone can see their call to action in the previous design, I don't know, but I can guarantee if they were to use our call to action, they would probably double their sales. Moving on to point number five, we'd added some payment seals. It's not something you need to do these days, but definitely something you can test, and it just adds trust and credibility. And moving on to the money page, the cart, drawer, slider, whatever you want to call it, here's three enhancements that I think Glossier could use to increase their revenue per visitor. Number one is just to gamify the cart. Don't just offer free shipping, make a real game of it. Offer free shipping and then tell them they can unlock even more things like a free gift. It may be just a makeup bag, it may be a free lip gloss. It doesn't have to be a huge value item, but something that people can add more to their cart to unlock is really going to help increase that average order value. Number two is we've just utilized the space in the cart a lot nicer, which allows us to put in this review. And number three, again, going back to the product page, call to actions are everything. We've been consistent. It's the full width. It's a big, bold checkout now. It has a directional cue, and it's going to get more people going to that checkout. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure you click the link below to join our weekly CRO newsletter. It's completely free, and I'm going to be dropping you more e-com tips, more CRO tips, where you can take them, implement them, and increase your conversion rates. If you've enjoyed this video as well, check out our YouTube. There's plenty more, and I'll see you in the very next one.